how to get live stream link from YouTube. To get that link, go to studio.youtube.com from web browser, and here click on continue to studio. Once you are redirected to the studio, go to content from here. Okay, in the content, wait for loading, click on live. If you meet their eligibility criteria, you will get that option. Click on get started. Okay, once you click on the get started, you will get something like that. Now from here click on live stream. You will see that share option at the top right corner. Click it and you will get these are a bunch of options. Okay, so I want a direct link, so I will turn my phone in vertical orientation. Here is my direct link. I will click and copy it. Now go to browser window, visit the link that you copied. Now we are on that. This is live event. I am not live, so it is showing the live event will begin in a few moments. To match YouTube criteria, eligibility criteria, there are few options. You can check out these. Now from here click on three dots option, go to desktop site, and then it will reload the page. Okay, so you have to get this page. In that page you will click on share, and tada, we have that embed option. Click on it, copy it. It is copied to my dashboard, clipboard. Now I will go. Now you can place this link in any HTML document. So I am about to create a new one. I will open. So here I have pasted my code and saved it as a HTML document. Give it a random name. For example, I am giving it live.html. Okay, save it. Now from file manager I will go to internal storage, the file where it is located. Now I will open it in a web browser, and here it is. We have live video, but it is not mobile friendly. So to make it mobile friendly, we have a code and guest repositories. I will place its link in the description so you can get it from there. Click on raw, copy that all code, select all and copy. Now go to home, open a text editor. I will remove this text and paste newly copied code. This is mobile friendly. In that code I have JavaScript here which gets the window size screen.width and reduces it by 18, which we are setting the sides. So we have this mobile friendly code here. Now in that you have to replace the video ID. Okay, so remember previously we have copied direct link. This is in that the last section, this after the slash is our video ID. So we have pasted it and save it. Now back to file manager and open that newly edited file. Tada! We have this here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is live stream mobile friendly. I have some questions such as what was these 18px. So actually these 18px is that blank space on these sides, both sides I have blank space. This is the padding. Okay, if you don't set the padding, it may be a little bit offside. For example, I have this in my app. In this app I have added it. Here it is. You can see it is a little bit offside. That is because padding, I have not set proper padding. So that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know about your response in comments. See you in next tutorial. Then take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.